Hello friends and future friends, potential friends, virtual friends, all of my friends out there. A week or so ago I gave you an update on my pineapples. You can see that this guy is still growing strong. Not much bigger than a golf ball, but it's still growing that little top on the top. And today I was out watering and I noticed this. I hope you can see it down in there. I'm going to have another pineapple this year. Looks like I'm going to get two of them. This plant is, I believe it's 2 years old. This is its second year. So I'm going to have a pineapple off of that guy and off of this one. And nothing in my third one. But hey, I'm happy. Just a quick update. Keep you informed.